Video of dog hero in United States warning neighbors about human family member's illness goes viral on social media. Door camera footage of heroic dog person Kai alerting his neighbors about the condition of his caregiver's grandfather has gained more than 6 million views on TikTok. Kai somehow managed to open a round doorknob and then ran outside to bark continuously for someone to help the grandfather, who had fallen unconscious inside the family home. Kai checked on the man often and continued barking for over an hour until a neighbor contacted the San Angelo, Texas police. Soon after officers came and discovered the elderly man, doctors said Kai's timely action saved the man's life as he was severely ill with septicemia. Kai's family praised his unwavering loyalty in instinctive actions. A high salute, Kai, for your act of profound loyalty. May you and your caring family remain happy and healthy in divine love.